Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.
Hi friends, welcome to Math Uncle. This is Rajesh Kamble, your Math Uncle, and today I am going to teach you about a very important lesson that's called order of operations. Order of operations, if you don't do it properly, every time you'll fail in maths. You have to know, understand order of operations. I never used to understand. That's why I normally used to fail in my times, and my father used to get very angry, and that's the reason I'm trying to make maths simpler for you. And like I always used to read comics and watch cartoons and all that. That's why I always wanted my maths book to look like a cartoon book, a comic book, something like Archie's and Tintin and all that. So why am I saying all this to you? Well, order of operations, I'll just explain it to you the same way. Do you know, we had a very world knows about Romeo, a very romantic hero and all that, and we just made you understand what pi was in a very romantic way, taking Shah Rukh Bhai's pose and all that. And talking about Shah Rukh Khan Bhai, he was also instrumental in a movie called Devdas. Devdas is Indian Romeo. Indian Romeo is like who falls in love and all that, and has done it very well. And what a song in that movie, Dola Dola by Aishwarya and Madhuri Dixit. You guys should see that splendor and all that. Oh, I forgot, I have to teach you order of operations. But I was just coming to that. Not many people know that Devdas had a brother called Bhemdas. Do you know? He had a brother called Bhemdas. And I've just told you what order of operations is. Bhemdas, B for brackets, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. This is the order of operations. You have to remove the brackets first. Whatever is in the brackets, you simplify that first. Then you simplify the exponents. Then you do the multiplication. Then you do the division. Then you do addition. Then you do subtraction. Bhemdas. Getting it? Remember this word. Devdas ka bhai, Bhemdas. And now for my international students who call brackets parentheses as well. So you can, I'll give you one more this thing, mnemonic. Mnemonic is something you always recollect what to do, how to do. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sunita. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sunita. That is P for parenthesis. Then you simplify exponents. M for multiplication. D for division. A for addition. S for subtraction. There is a catch here also. Multiplication and division you do from left to right. Whichever comes first, that person becomes VIP. And addition and subtraction, you that do that also left to right. Anybody who is on left first becomes a VIP. Now you'll say, what am I saying? Let me give you a few examples. For that, I'll have to take my laptop because I have to make you understand everything. Listen to it very, very carefully. Huh? And in the meantime, let me play the song a bit so that I can come back and you can listen to this song.
Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.